Okay, so now we have some exercises to practice with. It says for the following shape, draw the shape undergoing a dilation of 1.5. This is equal to 1.5. With respect to the origin, and a shrinkage of 1.5 with respect to the origin. Okay, so the first thing and the easiest way to solve this problem is get the original coordinates. Okay, so the original coordinates of this polygon will be A is located at -5, -3, B is in 4, 3, C is in -4, and D is in -3, 2. Okay, so let's read again. We are asked to dilate this shape by a factor of 1.5 and shrinkage by a factor of 1/2. Okay, so let's do first the dilation. How would the new coordinates look like? Well, A prime. Now we need to multiply everything by 1.5. So A will be equal to -7.5, -4.5. B coordinates will be 6, 4.5. C will be -6, 6, and D will be -4.5, 3. Remember that we are dilating by a factor of 1.5. This is the dilation by a factor of 1.5, and what we just have to do is multiply each coordinate by 1.5. Okay, so let's put all the dots in the coordinate system. Okay, so we already have all the points on the coordinate system, and the next step is to join them. And here you can see the shape or the polygon resized by a factor of 1.5. Okay, so you can see it here in red. Now we are asked to resize this same shape by a factor of 1/2. Okay, so the next step will be to get the new coordinates. Now is a factor of 1/2. Okay, so the new coordinates will be A will be -2.5, -1.5. B will be 2, 1.5. Remember that everything is with respect to the origin and to the original shape. Okay, so C will be -2, 2, and D will be -1.5, 1. Okay, next step will be to put all these points on the coordinate system. Here we already have all the points on the coordinate system. They are in green. And the next step will be to join each point. And now we obtain the new shape. This new shape in green is the resizing by a factor of 1/2. Okay, so let's recap what we have done. We resize this shape twice. We increase the size by 1.5 and we reduce it by 0.5. Okay, so how do we do this? We get the coordinates of each point and we multiply by the factor. Each coordinate, either both x and y coordinate, are multiplied by the factor. And then we just plot the points again back in the coordinate system and join them. Okay, so let's move on to the next example.